Welcome to the GeoCase study on dirty boots. A rockfall on the eastern shore of an Alpine lake blocked road and railway connection for several communities. This disruption halted thousands of people, cross-border workers, and freight traffic. We had only days to establish an emergency monitoring system on an unstable rock face to reopen a crucial transportation route. This is the story of that urgent geotechnical challenge. The closure of the road and railway was not just inconvenient, it had significant economic impacts. This line is crucial for international freight, passenger travel, and daily border workers. Each day of closure strained finances and patience, with immense pressure to reopen safely and swiftly. We installed crack displacement gauges in every crack that might move. Cellular networks were far from reliable, so the entire system relied on kilometers of hardwired cables. It was a complex installation carried out in a hazardous mountain environment because the area was frequently affected by falling rocks and collapsing trees, which often damaged sensors cables. The monitoring system automatically blocked train line and road if displacement exceeds thresholds, ensuring immediate safety without human intervention. Installing sensors on an unstable rock face requires scaling, which involves removing loose material. However, due to public pressure, the job was incomplete. A large slab detached on me while bolting a sensor, highlighting the risks involved. The system became operational 18 days after the initial failure, restoring safe rail and road traffic. 2 weeks post-installation, instruments detected displacement in rock wedges, triggering the system. Barriers lowered halting traffic. A subsequent failure reached the railway and road, both already closed, ensuring no injuries. The system, operational within few days from the first landslide on a slope actively failing, performed flawlessly, achieving the highest effectiveness grade. During a field operation, I narrowly escaped death when a rock face collapsed above me. By an ancient tradition in this region, surviving such an accident requires commissioning a votive picture for the Madonna. I followed this tradition, creating a painting that now hangs on my wall, symbolizing gratitude and survival.